Hey guys, hope everything is going well, and in this video I will clear you the product Facebook ad secrets. Okay, so this is the dashboard of this product, but let me clear you one thing. As you have not seen this product, also I have not seen this product. Okay, but I can clear you the topic, and my main purpose is to making this video is to give you my bonuses, most importantly to show you kind of huge bonuses will be given to you with this product once you have purchased it from my website. Okay, so this is an image partially created by me. I have written this and only written this, and this image was created by the owner. And now let me show you the product ratings. So inside contents given, it has got 98%. Inside value for money, it has got 97%. Inside market hits, it has got 93%, and overall it has got 98%. Cause this is an entrepreneur software or tool or tutorial. Sorry, make me correct myself. This is an entrepreneur tool or tutorial. Okay, so this is the product pricings. You can get the front end Upsell product within $19, or you can choose the Downsell product within $16. And this is a trending niche, let me correct myself also for this time also. So this is not a niche, but this is a profitable place, trending profitable place, and this is trending rapidly. So this product is launching at exactly 9th of January and 8 p.m. EST, that means New York time 8 p.m. so at the night of 8. So this is the bonus value which will be given to you from my website. This is a really big value. And so let me clear you that this is the definition of this product, and you can tell it also description, and these are the steps that will be given inside. Okay, so these steps all these steps will be given to you, and that is cleared here. So these are all of the front end steps, and if you purchase the upgrade version, then there will be also another bonus from my website. And I have not written the upsell things here, but I have written here only the front end thing. And this is the owner guy of this product, and in my opinion this is very cheap, and you are getting this kind of course, and this kind of course outside market they are really charging $1,000. Okay, I know that guy who is charging $1,000, because I was just trying to purchase it, and I was just purchased it if I am not in this affiliate marketing. But once I was trying Facebook marketing also, then I was just tend to purchase it, but I have not done this for $1,000. Okay, so this is very cheap in my opinion. Sometimes I just stack up very cheap from my opinion. Okay, sometimes I just stack up because my English is not so good and my vocabulary or the word of stock is very little, but I try to understand the thing which I want to say. Okay, so try to cope with my English a little bit. Okay, so this lastly in my opinion, this is I strongly recommend for any Facebook advertiser. And these are the sales funnel, you can go through them. This is really big and very deep, you can go through them if you want to. So by visiting this page from the video description link given below, and if you want to get the bonuses, you have to go to this page. Okay, you have to go through this page, sorry. So these are the bonuses. So firstly, you are getting PC games, kind of 5 PC games. These are really popular and funny games in my opinion. This is my favorite, Plant vs Zombies. This PC games within very low memory consuming game. Okay, so but it is restricted to first 10 members only. Okay, so you are getting also, if you are not a game loving person, then you are getting also case studies, kind of 4 case studies which are really live case studies. Okay, so that can help you to grow online very much more. You are getting Facebook help, you are getting YouTube help, and you are getting more and more ebooks also. So if you purchase any upsell from my website of this product, okay, you will be given really huge. Let me show you. So you are getting also software, 200 plus software, 75 plus plugins, and also 1k plus doodle images, 1k plus high quality graphics, and 1.46k doodle images, and also 100 miscellaneous product with resell rights. But let me clear you one thing, this is just misplaced by me, but I will do it. Okay, I will do it right. This sector, this PC game sector will be here, and this written sector will be here, section or sector. Okay, so whatever. So these are the games, and that will be restricted to also first 10 members, and you should take step as soon as possible by you to get these kind of bonuses. And what you have to do, that after purchasing the product from Warrior Plus, you have to go through your purchase history option inside your Warrior Plus account. Okay, so inside that account, inside Warrior Plus option, you will be given this access affiliate bonus. Okay, so this access affiliate bonus option will redirect you to my bonuses. Okay, so sometimes I forgot what to say because my English is not so good. I am repeating this. Okay, so that was the product overview, I think, and also my bonus overview. So I am signing out for the video. I am wrapping up the video. So bye bye.